What's that?
Mommy,
Yeah.
I should have changed the bad part.
I'll change it.
No, 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 no. I mean, don't change it. I mean, change the bad part. On okay? Change the
Well,
bad part.
tell me when you want me to change it, okay?
The bad part.
Well, tell me when the bad part is on, okay?
Bad part is on the door right there. Right up.
Now, change it.
Yeah, now, cause the now wait. Wait till it's okay.
Can I get more ice cream?
Sure, yeah, man. Go ahead.
Wait.
Okay.
Can we
Wait.
get the dog?
Yeah, dude, yeah.
Yes.
Oh, when that man comes in the window. Okay, I'm gonna change it.
No.
We like
Ada.
quite a bit.
Okay, now.
Ada.
Okay.
It was short notice, and I didn't have much
Let's go
time.
for that.
Yeah, it's the grandma house.
Just a little something.
Doing this last minute. How
You don't owe me anything.
Main thing about right now that I want to say to myself,
Or kisses? Or
Kingston isn't asleep yet. You don't hear the snoring. We're watching Space Dad. Actually, it's
just gotta make
amazing.
this run. When I get back,
It's
we're
one of
gonna
our
take you to
things.
Splash Town, no matter what. Okay?
Okay, these numbers didn't hit. I'm going to erase them. And
Lisa,
on growth,
Dad's boss is so
as
mean. Why do they make him work so much?
discipline and
Don't let
growth
Dad do
goes.
this. He doesn't always have to say yes, son. I don't
You
want
can
to.
have one or two things. You can have discipline and growth. One or three things: discipline, growth, or money. That third thing is, guess what?
Oh man, he'd be so
An investment. A lot of traders, a lot of investors disguise themselves as traders. That's the thing. A lot of investors disguise themselves as traders. While they're adding equity from another source of money besides the trading style that they're leading on to be doing, they're having a different source of income streaming into their account so they can basically operate like an investor, which is smart, but it's snake when you doing it telling people that you have that trading style to gain the growth of the account when it's not that. It's money being funneled in basically from investments.
What is this?
Investments is the best, like less risky
I don't think this is
option to grow wealth other than trading. Trading is really fast, but it's highly risky. But when you're good at it, then you know what I'm saying, you accept that risk because you have your edge, which is kind of like that's that 1% of the traders. Okay. So the investors saying invest 1% or risk 1%, but that's not like realistic. If you're trading, you're gonna be trading about like a quarter. I mean, probably,
what are you guys doing?
but I mean, like an eighth or like a 16th or something. You know what I'm saying? But the 1% is not likely if you're trading. That's not. That's like if you got $1 million account. That's what I said before. So
Thanks for the newsflash, Chris.
if you got $1 million account and you're trying to get $4,000 a day, perfect. You're gonna win. $1,000 a day, you're gonna win. And how they do it, they funnel in money that they're not risking. So be good, have your edge, do both. And right now, what I wanted to do, these lines that I made off this ghost that wasn't anchored didn't hit. The only one thing that hit was, guess what? In the heart of the New York session. It was right in the heart of it. It was right in the heart of it. It was right here. So, you see, they didn't do anything. All that. This might come over. But I'll go ahead and delete it anyway. But these didn't do anything. It wasn't anchored. I'm going to take them off.
Mom,
Yes, baby.
go to the bathroom. Go to the kitchen.
You don't like that? What is that thing before they get to the planet?
It's a monster trying to eat the
Oh,
shit.
this is the next. Okay, let's go on to the next show.
Because you stop losing the chicken one.
I don't know.
You do.
Chill out, cause it's really time for you to go to sleep. I'm about to turn this thing off.
No.
Okay, then relax your body. You need to lay down. It's Kingston. Get on the bed. Here. You can play it when it come on. Okay. So main thing is I'm gonna go ahead and clean that
Watch it
off.
on.
No, just wait for it to come on, baby.
It's going to take a long time.
No, just a few minutes. You have to be patient. And go ahead and take this one off too. Just because this is not the. Okay, so we're good on here. I'll leave this one. I'm leaving this one. Let's get it. Press play. Let me see.
Like, Mama, I can this way. Mom, I think that's all.
Yeah, it's coming.
Mommy, that
5. Count. 4.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
There you go.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Okay. So those are off.
0.
Those are off. What I've seen is
I know this is a lot to take in.
Yeah, it is. No, it's not. I get it. Area 51, the rays, Saurians. You have
I'm gonna
all
measure
this
these
all
angles
real.
that's hidden from this current,
What else is real? Is Bigfoot real?
these current rays. Okay. These current
Well,
rays. This hasn't leveled out yet.
But I'm not really a truck driver.
Oh, you think?
Actually,
On this notion here, these had basically leveled out from here.
Like a bounty hunter?
No, just wait.
with a lot of negative connotations, sort of prefer the term fugitive recovery.
These had leveled out here. Okay, it came to 0.
Bounty hunter.
And this one is what brought it to 0. I'm gonna go ahead and stick a ghost on
Why
here.
did she call you that?
Oh, Sable Rock. That's my work name.
I want a bounty hunter name. So, you fly around the galaxy. In a
Oh,
spaceship.
guess what that is? Happens to be. And
Actually, kind of cool.
we'll move him over
This is amazing.
here.
I just thought you were funny. But I knew
I want to see what happens
those
here.
aliens.
I don't want to move it. It looks like nothing, but oh wait.
Bring 'em home with us?
Wait, whoa, hold up. You guys can't stay here.
Why?
It looks like
I'm taking you
nothing,
guys straight back to Earth.
but we're here. Okay,
We won't get in the way, we promise.
which is this notion
This is
here,
not up for debate. Now march your butts back to the car.
which is this area here. And let's change the color. We'll change the color.
Space is not a place for kids. It's dangerous. There's bad guys. You could get lost. Wait,
Okay,
where are my war pods? What?
and
My war pods. Small, blue orbs. This big. There was a bunch in a silver briefcase back here.
that wasn't there. That was here. Okay, that makes all the sense in the world. We'll leave that. Actually, I want to bold it, but
Room for us in this run.
This area right here is a good area.
are light years from home.
Yeah, it is because it's got the one and the two that goes. I don't know what kind of anchor it has, but or it's
I'll be able to afford more until I finish.
like hinge, anchor or hinge. So
Yeah, we can stay with Dad.
This is a
let me see, anchor.
Yeah.
Nor.
Wait.
I said not. I want to say nor.
Mama. Hey. So, change your plan.
Where are you?
Well,
Okay.
I thought about what you said, and I decided
And King doing the most right now. It's 9:30.
I figured then we still get to spend time together.
Terrence, I am so proud of you. I've been telling you that's what those kids need. You're really stepping up. And it just touched my heart.
I want to measure this.
Hey, put that down.
Just sees how well y'all are doing.
Oh, that's the other.
I don't know what this is doing.
You're just driving them in your rig,
I'll
right?
stretch it.
I just don't want to.
I'll stretch it so I can get like a description.
Okay, have fun. You better not be making another mess for me to clean up. Seems like Grandma cleans up everybody's messes around here.
Okay, we gotta set
This
this right.
is
You guys can't just be running around
Tuesday, 1:30 p.m. So I'll probably
properly if I have to worry
a
about
bit on the shoot up, maybe.
shit while I take care of it.
Come on, Dad. You take us to the station. We don't even get to leave the
It's probably gonna consolidate.
In the space, your stowaway. And while you're here with me on my mission, you're gonna follow my rules. Got it?
Sir, is it wise to leave them here with me? I am not qualified
You'll
to.
be fine, Chris. Kids, listen to Chris. Okay?
Yes, Dad.
Good. Now, just sit there. Don't touch anything.
This on
How
1
can we
hour.
sit if we're not supposed to touch anything?
Let's do daily. Yeah, it's probably gonna consolidate. We're on a
Section coordinates for Bucky Quantos. It's time to pay our old friend Krill a visit.
okay. 4.
This place is crawling some ruckus.
That looks like consolidation.
Straight up
It's
killers.
at the high. It's just put in the low. It's made a little teensy bit on that low right there. You see that low? You see this low?
The toughest
Came just a little bit lower.
killers in a galaxy. All we got
Definitely lower at the top.
Not just a wing place, Lisa. The best
And what I want to see is
They're that good. And their waffle fries are all right too.
okay. Down.
Okay, guys, remember what I
Up.
said.
Okay, here.
Don't touch anything.
Yes, we know
This
that. Yeah, we know.
This shouldn't
this
take too
one
long.
right here.
Bring back some wings.
Yeah, 25,400.
1 minute.
Yeah,
1 minute.
25,400 looks interesting to me. Let me just make sure it's marked. I'm not gonna do my levels on the 4 hour because that's gonna look like Seizure Town. So 25,400. 25.
Sheesh. Yeah, let me get 3 dark matter habaneros, 2 acid bath mountain melters, and
Okay, so
make them go.
Please, human child, refrain from.
is that the one I just made, Dort?
Full alien hunter guy. We're in space, and all we get to do is stay on the ship.
Okay.
I say we
So we are right now. I mean, which that's on a 4 hour.
See in hell again?
I don't know how long it's gonna take to get up there, but
Jesus.
what's that? Well, it's saying actually.
Just
Then I'm already at 3 o'clock.
this one's got mop holes in it.
I don't think those are mop holes.
So that's our top. And let's try to see what the bottom is doing. Really, besides just leveling out here, I don't see anything. Oh, here. But that's on Riense that I have marked, and it's okay.
My apologies, Lord.
I want to do a measure.
My bad. Excuse us, sir.
Owes me a new vest.
18.7. I have to jot this down real quick.
Touchland and Lucky Clothes. Which you wanna eat?
That was close.
18.7. I'm thinking about work today. That was crazy.
Okay. What do you think they're made of? You think they have space chickens?
Wings, pound, definition, organic.
Sean, sorry. We should order some.
Okay, let's say 20.
You sure about that?
I don't know why should we doing this top number bottom. I think it's the top. Take that down. 26. That's 65. And then 56.19. 56.19. And then
Just keep hearing for us. Wait! Your dad catches us! Said hit it out! I'll be quick. Just wants to check out the game.
Oh, that's no dad.
Sounds like you guys are
7.6. 7.6.6. 2.
Come on, Talthar. What are we
Alright.
Alright. Give me a sec.
Okay, so we can get order on there. 7.6 and 5.2, then 2.6. What's after that? That's negative 30. That's negative 30. Oh, shoot. Okay, so I guess it'll come out with that. Minus 6. Hell. Shit, I don't know.
You pay for it like everybody else. Or you can discuss it with my new bodyguards, Colombian Fighting Cockaroos. They'd be happy to talk to me. Do yourself a favor and walk.
That should be here. Okay.
Y'all know
Now, well, I'll be, counting. I'll be counting this right here like such. I mean, on the blue line, it's only It's only a silver thing to do. That's what I do. Okay. Wait for a pump up, then push down. Is what I see. That New York still haven't been swept. I see on the midnight. It's almost 10. Yeah.
What? No, I wasn't scared. Why would you ask that? Yeah, of course I know where his bounty is, but I ain't telling him squat. Serves him right. Freaking Sabo.
Sabo, Dad?
Who's in here?
I would just order down. Order down now. Look at this shit. Is it? Yeah, it looks like it's ready for a push down, but it's on this box, so it's probably good just to wait for the box to clear. Yeah, probably good just to wait for the box to clear. And it should bounce up from that line that it's on right now anyway. Clear the box then, shit. Clear the box. I'll shoot on it. Because after that, it's got 160 points. So, I don't have to do no hunt, you know what I'm saying? And then that's the whole, it might go up. It's probably not gonna, I mean, it's a good possibility that it won't go that whole 160 points like before it pushes up. But then there's that midnight, that midday that it has to, it still haven't swept yet. So yeah. I see this having some action. What time is that at 1 o'clock? Yeah. I'm fucking with niggas. So therefore, therefore, which one of my boxes ain't hit, period, at a point? Let me find a turtle. And let me see. Boom. Let me see what that's done on the blue. One have done. Turtle. What's it done? That's where we are on this one. This is some weird action, but I see where we at on it. Trying to complete here. That's where we are. I'm not even finna try to mess with my. That's negativity. I'm trying to throw into the thing. Okay, so we are at pink and purple here. Non-completions. You get about 3 or 4 non-completions. Oh, okay. No, those are done. Okay, so as the done ones, as the ones that are done, these got put here and didn't get marked. I be thinking about different people as I'm going through here. Is that weird? Like I actually think about like people that have come into my life. Strange. Okay. Damn, I just lost it. I just lost this. Oh my god. Anyway, I'll find it because if I lost it, that means it's not relevant. It's like forgetting a thought. It's like straight up forgetting a thought. I feel like I'm. I'm not gonna hit on that right now because I'm good on the evening. I believe I already got money for the night. Okay, so what happened tonight is I got in. I won a little bit. I won. My goal is 15 points. I got about 7. I got about 7 points. I would make in. I lost. It's not a bad loss. And it took me about 3 trades to get the money back, and then I did 2 other trades to get ahead. And so basically I've done my full 15 points. But I don't know, I was just right. That's all I could say. My discipline needs to be better. It's going outside of this box. Let me hit on this box because it's going outside of it. And it's got 100 points to go. I mean, what's going to be good enough for me, though? That's what it is. What's going to be good enough for me? Because, I mean, really, this stretch should be to here, that light blue line that I made. That should be a stretch. I'm going to just stop it. Oh, yeah, I'll stop it. I'm good. Because on my equation, it's 15 points a day. So I've lost. I've made it back. I've got a little bit more in, but I don't want to ask for too much because it's going to be throwing off on my machine. Like, I got a machine too. This is my machine I work. So if I'm throwing off on my machine, it's going to start like spitting out like wrong shit. So that's it on me. I guess that I'm done. Thank God for the trading for tonight. Thank God for the insight and the discipline. We're going to close charts like they've been all the other nights where losses have been ridiculous, and we're just really not, doing anything on hold on money. I thank God for the investment insight, because that's what it is. After you have so much money and your goal is to just make 1% of that, and you call yourself day trading from that huge amount, that's not day trading, that's investing. And then you're automatically, I mean, if you have a slight edge with some discipline, a slight edge with some slight discipline, you're making money. You're making money. So we're on our way to that, but we have to do the discipline full, and we have to do the edge full. So that's how this machine operates. And I'm thankful for it.